How to change your name on Facebook. This is the latest update on Facebook regarding your name change. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On this interface, continue to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and click on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings. With this selected, it will take a bit of time to finish loading depending on your network. Then continue to click on Meta Account Center. Now that you land on this interface, proceed to tap on your profiles. In my case, I have a list of accounts that I can easily change the name. In this case, I want to stick to the Mubarick Mohammed, which is the official account on my Facebook. With this selected, allow it again a bit of moment to finish loading, and here you are. Now if you want to change your name, you can proceed to click on name, and then again now you can edit your first name, your middle name, and then last name. Assuming after you make all the editing that you want, in this case I want to save something like Mubarick as my first name, which is going to be maintained, and then the last name is Mo. So assuming I want to save it, I will just proceed to tap on review changes. By a caveat to note, if you change your name, you can't change it again for the next 60 days. If you are okay with it, you can proceed to click on review change. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.